Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today, 10th February, Nifty ends this week at 21,782 and Bank Nifty 45,634. See, the reason why I not updated Nifty Bank Nifty video during this week is, see, whatever we discussed in previous week video, that is what happened during this entire week. See, what we expected in Bank Nifty is a three-wave correction, okay, and to end around 45,070. I will share a small clip from the previous video which we discussed the same thing. It may take a three-wave, a decline like A, B and C. Okay, so we expect the retracement level to 50% or even 61%. Okay, we stop at 45,650, a pullback and come to 45,360 or even this low 45,70 again. So these are not recommendation. I'm just expecting the price action. If it is bullish, then the price needs to move higher. So this is possible up move if the uptrend needs to be maintained. Right, as you just saw, this is what we discussed in previous video. When the price was trading here, we expected a ABC decline and to settle at this 45,070. This is what we expected last week itself. This kind of price action may happen during this week. And also in Nifty on 8th February, okay, on 8th February, I marked the two important support levels for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So Nifty 21,622, 21,660, and the actual low made was 21,630. Okay, 635. Okay, it is well within our range, and price moved to 21,800. Okay, approximately 150 points from our support level. And in Bank Nifty, 45,150, 140 to 45,000 we expected, and the actual low was 44,870. So 130 points went below and got support and moved around 600 points on Friday. This is what the chart, while I say the support level in Nifty, this pattern looks like a flat correction in the midway of an upside. So this is a pause in a trend. So that's why I marked this level is important. And in Bank Nifty, it's looked like a leading diagonal. Either it is 1, 2, 3 or ABC, that we don't know now. So either case, this B wave or wave 2 may get support at these levels. So that's why I said 45,000 level as important support. So what we may expect in coming week. See, again, the Nifty and Bank Nifty have divergence or difference in patterns. Bank Nifty is forming like a leading diagonal, and Nifty, this entire move from this low does not look like a clear impulse. So overlapping structure everywhere. So, and also not able to count the highs and lows as leading diagonal. So there is a divergence between Nifty and Bank Nifty patterns. So we need to see which one is going to lead and which one is going to follow. Is this a corrective pattern? It can be A, B and C. Okay, and it can be 1, 2, 3 or ABC. Since the price got support at important levels both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, I'm expecting an pullback or up move in this week. Okay, maybe this levels. Okay, so first we see the Bank Nifty levels. So if it is a leading diagonal, either it is 1, 2 or 3 or ABC, the first level we need to watch is the price needs to cross this swing high. Okay, around 46,150. Okay, you got the exact point is 46,170. Okay, if the level crosses, we may expect the price to reach around 47,200 or even we can check approximately 46,900 to 47,200. These are the levels we need to watch. In Nifty, see, it looks like a ABC pattern. Okay. ABC is a corrective structure. If it is corrective structure, this prior trend may continue. So if this to happen, I mean, one more upswing to happen, the price needs to cross this level first. Initially, it needs to cross this swing high and this point. But if the price does not move high and come below this level in previous low, we can expect the support around 44,440 levels. Okay, this is what the expectation in coming weeks on shorter time frame. Okay, both Nifty and Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, if the price does not move upside and come below this low, we may test the previous low of 44,400. My primary count, okay, my primary count is expecting some up move this week. Okay, both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, since this looked like a pause in the prior trend, so mostly the trend will continue for one more up. Okay, this is my primary count, but if does not happen, you can also check the lower levels also. Okay, both levels has been discussed. And as I am saying for almost 2 to 3 weeks now, I will show the long-term count for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let me clear all this. Okay, this is weekly chart of Bank Nifty and this is Nifty. See, if this count is valid, the price needs to move much higher. Okay, much higher. This is just, we are in the process of wave 3 of 3. Okay, the bigger wave 3 itself not completed, and I'm expecting it to end around 22,200 to 23,000. Okay, I'm just saying that this 3 minimum level. Okay, this is what I'm expecting as a minimum. Then we can recount when the price reaches there, if at all. Okay, but for this, the Bank Nifty also needs to support. See, if I take the same count as per the Nifty, can be wave 1, 2. Okay, I need to complete somewhere 3, 4, and 5. So I take this wave 1 here, wave 2 here, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. So this is wave 1, bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2. This may compare with the Nifty and Bank Nifty are same now counts now. So from this low, I'm again counting an impulse. Okay, this is wave 1, 2, and we are in process of wave 3. This is wave 1, 2, and it should be in wave 3. Okay, but the thing is, the price stops here. So this is the most important pattern now. If the Bank Nifty comes below this channel, this may turn to be a ending pattern, and this is the wave 5 and wave 4 and wave 5. Something it needs to be changed accordingly. But if this moves like this, what will happen to Nifty? Here the price action is not seems to be an ending diagonal. And so this is what the interesting situation I'm explaining for weeks now. But Bank Nifty comes below this level, the entire impulse should have completed, and we may see a bigger correction. This is as per Bank Nifty, but as per Nifty, the price needs to move higher. Okay, but if the price needs to move higher, Bank Nifty will get settled here and needs to move higher. This is for the same thing I'm explaining for a lot of times. So that's why I mark it as it is a leading diagonal wave 1, 2, 3. Okay, either it is A, B, C or 1, 2, 3, we don't know. But if it is in longer term, the Nifty count should be valid. The Bank Nifty will take 1, 2, 3. And what will happen to the Nifty? this is not so impulsive. That is what we discussed. See, in Elliott wave, this pattern will become somehow bullish. That is, all these price action will become within impulse wave structure an extension wave, and it become a new impulse like this: wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3. So this is what we need to see in coming weeks and months. Okay, the next week analysis we already see some primarily expecting up move. If not, both the levels we have discussed. But in longer term, some medium term counts, if Nifty needs to come below this level, okay, if this is corrective, it may come lower. But Bank Nifty is a very, very important point to hold the long term bullish count. So if it loses that level, it gives up the trend line we just saw, then the entire impulse may move over and we may see a deep correction in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Right? So this opinion is on for medium term, okay, on daily chart, this trend line, okay. But I don't think it will happen because DXY is at important resistance. So I expect my first primary count to be valid, and 3, 4, and this is 5, and I believe this will be all part of some corrective patterns, and it may move higher. So this is what my primary count as of now. But anyway, this is for long-term count, okay, not for next week or even it for a few months after, okay. So this is what I am my primary count. But yeah, if the price breaks below this level, entire count may change. Let's see what happens in coming weeks and months. So for the next week, primarily I look for some up move, both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And we also discuss the levels we need to watch out for in Nifty and Bank Nifty for both upside and downside, primarily upside. But if the previous lows gives up, we can see some downside. So thank you. Thanks for your support. If you want to learn Elliott wave in most approachable, in easy and practical method, you can subscribe the channel, and I will meet you in next Elliott wave learning or market update video. Thank you. Trade safe. Bye.